Tired of staring at a plain, boring ceiling? What if I told you that with a few affordable tricks, you can turn it into the most stylish part of your home without spending a fortune? Welcome back. Today, we're diving into affordable ceiling decoration ideas that add instant character to your room. Whether you're updating a bedroom, living room, or dining space, these ideas are easy to apply, budget-friendly, and guaranteed to make a big impact. Definition: ceiling decoration means enhancing the top surface of your room with creative elements such as paint, lighting, panels, or textures that transform it from flat and unnoticed to elegant and eye-catching. 4. Step-by-step practical guide. Step 1. Start with a fresh coat of ceiling paint. Lighter shades make the room feel larger, while bold colors create drama. Step 2. Add stick-on ceiling tiles or panels. They come in different designs and can be installed with adhesive. Step 3. Use decorative, wooden beams or faux beams for a rustic or modern touch. Step 4. Install LED strip lighting around the edges for a soft glow effect. Step 5. Hang a statement light fixture or chandelier to act as a centerpiece. Tools explained: for painting, rollers, brushes, and painter's tape. For stick-on panels, adhesive glue, a measuring tape, and a cutter. For lighting, LED strips, connectors, and a safe power source. For beams or chandeliers, basic drilling tools and wall plugs. Quick tips: always measure your ceiling before buying materials. Choose lightweight decorative pieces to avoid heavy load on the structure. LED lights save energy and cut electricity costs. Cost comparison: painting a ceiling typically costs between $20 to $50 for a medium-sized room. Stick-on ceiling panels can range from $40 to $100 depending on design. Faux wooden beams are around $60 to $120 per piece. LED strip lights cost as little as $10 to $25. Chandeliers vary widely, but affordable models start at around $50. Workflow: plan your design and measure the space. Purchase the right materials within your budget. Prepare the ceiling by cleaning and priming if needed. Install the chosen decoration step by step. Finish by adding lighting for a polished look. Professional notes: always ensure ceiling fixtures are securely mounted. If electrical work is involved, consult an electrician for safety. Combine different methods like paint plus lighting for a more layered and stylish finish. With a little creativity and a small budget, your ceiling can shift from forgotten space to a highlight of your home. From paint to panels, beams to lighting, these affordable solutions bring both style and personality. If you found these ideas helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more home improvement tips. And let us know in the comments which ceiling idea you're excited to try first.